As SSC teachers continue to be on the streets demanding 100% salary enhancement, the Meghalaya government has made it clear it is not practical to fulfill their demands at one go, while informing that the department is working out a formula to resolve the impasse. Education Minister Rakam Sangma on Tuesday told reporters they could not meet the agitating teachers since they were busy with the rescue and relief work in Garo Hills, which witnessed huge devastation recently. Terming the demand of the teachers as genuine, he asked the agitating teachers to go back to classes.
I feel bad, like when our teachers sitting on the street, sitting in the playground for this, but I also, on the other way around, I also feel, what about the students they're supposed to teach them also? Then sometimes I feel, of course, all this week was the vacation time. Of course, it is good, but now the school has been open. I would request them, or my teachers, just to go back to the schools, think about their children also, right? Think about the children also. So their children may be waiting in the schools, I don't know. So therefore, government is exploring the way.
As VPP looks